by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation for 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder. Drake was last seen wearing a black t-shirt with a hockey mask on it with red accents and gray sweatpants. Drake should be considered armed and extremely dangerous. If you have any information concerning the whereabouts of John Drake Jr., please contact the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation at 1-800-TBIFNOC.
You tone that as a CAE. What the heck, Tennessee? Okay, Okay. You screwed up, Tennessee. You screwed up. Nice job.